Hello friends. In this video we will discuss about ischemic heart disease or coronary artery disease. The deadliest disease in the world is coronary artery disease CAD. Also called ischemic heart disease CAD occurs when the blood vessels that supply blood to the heart become narrowed. Untreated CAD can lead to chest pain, heart failure, and arrhythmias. Impact of CAD across the world. Although it's still the leading cause of death, mortality rates have declined in many countries. This may be due to better public health education, access to healthcare, and forms of prevention. However, in many developing nations, mortality rates of CAD are on the rise. An increasing lifespan, socioeconomic changes, and lifestyle risk factors play a role in this rise. Risk factors and prevention. Risk factors for CAD include high blood pressure, high cholesterol, smoking, family history of CAD, diabetes, being overweight. Talk to your doctor if you have one or more of these risk factors. You can prevent CAD with medications and by maintaining good heart health. Some steps you can take to decrease your risk include exercising regularly, maintaining a healthy weight, eating a balanced diet that's low in sodium and high in fruits and vegetables, avoiding smoking, drinking only in moderation. Please consider subscribe. Thank you for watching.